We offer a variety of walking tours in DC. To make sure that we have the right number of guides, all tours require reservations, but it's very simple to make a reservation on our website. The page defaults to today for our last-minute bookers, so be sure to select the date you're visiting. If a tour is fully booked, it will be moved to the bottom with a red note that says Booked Out. If that was the only date and time you could attend, just send us an email to join the waitlist. You'll notice that you won't be able to book for groups of more than 9 at all. We cannot accommodate groups of this size on our public tour, but we're happy to set up a private tour. You can read more about private tours on the private tour page. For groups of 6 to 9, we can only accommodate with prepayment. Payment is made at the time of booking and is considered payment to the guide for the tour. For all other guests, groups under 5, our tours are name your own price, so there is no advanced payment. If you want to book more than one tour, you just need to go to the top to Add to Booking to select a new tour. We'll need the number of guests, your name, email address, and a phone number. While you can book without a phone number, it's best to provide one that you can be reached at, just in case we need to get in touch with you. Alright, you're all set. You should receive a confirmation email as soon as you book. If you're booking a paid tour, such as our ghost tour or a discounted private, you'll be directed to a payment screen. The payment is processed through PayPal, but you don't need an account to use this. Just click the Pay Now button, and you'll be given the option to pay by logging into your account or by continuing as a guest and securely entering your card information. You don't need to print anything. Just show up to the tour and let the guide know what name you reserved under, and you're ready to take the tour. For more information for your visit to DC, check out our blog at dcbyfoot.com.